guys, welcome back to my channel. Ogo here. So in today's video I want to do a wig review, and this wig is a little bit outside my comfort zone, so stick with me and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Only comes with the comb in the back, so I'm just going to use some bobby pins to hold the front a little bit. Let's just see. So this is what the wig looks like. Very simple to put on. I don't yet know if it fits me, but it's kind of cute. It is kind of cute. Let me know what you think down below. Like, if I were to cut my hair like this, can I get away with it? I don't know, but let me know what you think down below. This hair is the Naked Brazilian Natural 100% human hair wig. It's a short wig. It says you can dye it, bleach it, and you can also perm it. So I got this in the color natural, so it's not like it's like a brownish black, so like a dark, really dark brown. So the wig is called the Kani Wig, K-A-N-I, and yeah, that's basically it. Very simple short wig. Been contemplating cutting my hair for a while, and hey, the decision is just taking too long, so I'm like, okay, I may as well try a short wig and see how I feel about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment what else you want to see on here. But bye guys.